We want to make x the subject of the following equations. We have the square root of x plus p. Note how all of the x plus p is under the square root is equal to q. Squaring both sides, we'll get the square root of x plus p all squared is equal to q squared. Note how we've done the same thing to both sides of the equation. Squaring and square rooting are opposite processes, so here we just get x plus p is equal to q squared. Now subtract p from both sides, leaving us with x on the left and giving us q squared minus p on the right. Here we have x squared plus p squared all under the square root is equal to q. Squaring both sides gives the square root of x squared plus p squared all squared is equal to q squared. Square root and square are opposite processes, so we just have x squared plus p squared on the left and q squared on the right. Subtracting p squared from both sides gives x squared on the left and q squared take away p squared on the right. If x squared is q squared minus p squared, x is plus or minus the square root of q squared minus p squared.